Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
We, the members of Sons of Prophet Network with Apostle Professor Johnson Suleman, hereby want to wish our father a happy birthday. And we want to say the Lord bless you with long life and prosperity, in good health and great wealth. Thank you for being our father. We love you.
Daddy, we want to thank you so much for being there for us. You are just too special all over the world. We don't know what would have happened to some of us if you never answered the call. We are here today to celebrate you. Much, much more that is coming your way. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip.